They are squishy, durable, and come in a mind-blowing array of shapes and colors. Welcome to the world of silicone beading. So, what are silicone beads and what do you use them for? Silicone is a slightly squishy material, making it ideal for beading sensory items for babies and children. From teething rings to toys to chewable pacifier clips, silicone is the perfect material for so many children's items. Love teething items, but don't love germs? No problem. Silicone is easy to wash and sanitize. Think all you can make with silicone is kids' items? Think again. Silicone beads are so durable that they make the perfect bead for long-lasting and practical accessories like wristlets, keychains, and so much more. Create beautiful and fashionable accessories to complement your style. Want to pick out your own silicone beads? Maybe you prefer a curated bag of colors and sizes. Or maybe you want to buy larger quantities? You can do all of that on our website all in one cart. From single beads to larger quantities, we've got you covered. We've even got tried and true tutorials for you to get started with. Trust us, silicone beading is the crafting craze you do not want to miss out on. And you can trust Care & Co to bring you the highest quality silicone beads and designs out there. Come craft with us.